Hello friends, Iceberg with Dillon Brothers Motorsports, and today I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of our new Marvel lineup from HJC. These are the CL-17 models, and this is the Hulk and the Punisher. Okay, let's break down a few specs on these helmets before we get into the killer graphics on here. These are going to have the polycarbonate shell. This is a nice lightweight shell. A size large is going to come in at about 3 pounds, 14 ounces. These are DOT and Snell certified, so you will be able to take these to the local racetrack. Fitment on these CL-17s is going to be oval shaped, so that's really nice for your round head rider, much like myself. These are going to fit you the way that you want them to. They're going to be very nice and comfortable on your more round head. Talk about the ventilation systems on these HJCs. HJCs has one of the most premier ventilation systems of any helmet. Both of these are going to have 10 vents on here. You're going to have your 2 top vents, which are really going to push that air up and through over your scalp. The 2 back vents, which are going to push that hot air out and just really release it through the helmet. You do also have up front here, you have the brow vents, which is really nice. That's just going to push it straight to your forehead, keeping your forehead nice and cool. And then down here at the bottom, you do have the nice vents on the side here that are really going to push that air up and through on your cheeks. Shields on these HJCs come with the anti-scratch resistance, and they are Pinlock ready. So the Pinlock is not included with these helmets, so you do have to buy that separately. But once you put that in, that's really going to help up with any fogging issues. Moving to the inside of these HJC helmets, you have this super cool microfiber lining. This is really nice, soft, comfortable material. Feels very nice against your skin. It is going to pull the moisture away from your cheeks and from your forehead, keeping you nice and cool. All the lining in these helmets is removable, so you can throw them into the washing machine. The other nice thing about this is HJC has given you the option that on the cheek pads, you can order different sizes. So if you feel that the helmet fits you right, but maybe the cheek pads are a little bit uncomfortable, either too thick or not thick enough, you can order a different size. It's going to fit your face exactly how you want it to. All right, now that we've talked about the specs on these HJC CL-17s, let's get into the graphics on here. I love that HJC has teamed up with Marvel to bring you these premium graphics of your favorite superheroes. We're going to start here with the Hulk helmet. I love that they've kept it kind of cartoony, but still just super amazing to look at. I love the up top, that if you're in kind of a tucked or a 3/4 position, that you've just got the Hulk raging at you from straight on. Just a really cool graphic. If you move around to the side on this lid, you've got his fists on both sides, and it just kind of looks like he's cracking through the dome of the helmet. I think these graphics are a step above a lot of what other helmet companies are doing. And in the Marvel universe, if you are a fan, these HJC Marvel helmets are just absolutely killer. All right, let's move over to the Punisher helmet. This is probably one of my favorites out of the HJC camp. Just the graphics on here really, to me, have captured the essence of the Punisher. Just that beautiful skull up top. Once again, if you're in the tucked or 3/4 position rolling down the street, anyone kind of coming the other way, they're just going to see this beautiful skull painted on top of here. I just absolutely love this graphic. I love how if you spin around to the back, you have his logo on the back as well, and just kind of finished off with this nice, almost matte looking paint finish on here. If you are a fan of that universe and a fan of these characters, these helmets are absolutely killer and are going to be just what you're looking for. Let's touch on price point on these. Being that these are the CL-17 models, these are extremely affordable helmets, especially for being DOT and Snell certified. These helmets are going to come in at $200, and that's going to be because of the premium graphics on both of them and the safety and quality that you're getting with these helmets. If you are interested in either one of these lids or any of the helmets we have in stock, please stop out at Dillon Brothers Motorsports today. Come try one on, see if you don't head out the door with one. As always, from the entire Dillon Brothers Motorsports family, thank you so much for checking out our videos, and always remember, gear up, ride safe. Thanks a lot.